Napagod naman.
Hi.
Napagod naman si inyo.
I'm his driver. I'm the driver. We're approaching Binondo Bridge. Binondo Bridge. Gold Bridge. Gold Bridge. Here the Chinatown.
And then this one is Chinatown.
See the Chinese Philippines. Tuktok sa Tagalog. Tuktok. Bokyo sa ano. Bokyo. Kaya bao-bao sa Bisaya.
Bisaya, Biabao.
Bao-bao. Pero
Hindi na natin kinaya maglakad. Grabe na.
grabe, may explore kayo dyan na.
Siguro init.
It's so hot.
Ay, malapit na kami mag-senior citizen.
Mga hot mommies.
Malakat maris.
It's so hot.
Umitot na tayo.
Dahil friends na kaya na. Friends, over trouble.
Hindi kaya tayo kanina, men.
That's the view of post office at the back.
Dito sa kanina.
Post office at the back. The view.
Oo, dyan tayo.
The view at the back and in the Pasig River.
Tama.
That other bridge is MacArthur Bridge.
MacArthur Bridge.
Ano yan, bago?
No, it's 100 years ago. The
Ah?
other new is there. The bridge right there. You see?
Mm.
Pala yun. Tama.
Good, your English.
No foreigner.
Tourista ko no ta.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're tourist but local. So, ay kung mag-Bisaya lang ako marunong lang ako, nag-Bisaya ako na kayo. Hindi ako makasabot ng Bisaya.
O ba't makaintindi ka man?
Manila Bay ako eh. Manila Bay. Not po.
Manila Bay.
Sabay.
The other side is already Quiapo.
Kaya po.
See the famous Quiapo Church?
Oh, nagyapon.
Every Friday there's a lot of devotees.